Across West Michigan, we're seeing quieter air set up. Mostly cloudy skies are going to be with us today. Thankfully, though, drier air is going to be in place. The system yesterday was just a sloppy mess, made all the snow really wet and heavy. It was not ideal to try to shovel. A lot of it was packed down and would turn into a little bit of an ice here with the refreeze. So not our favorite type of systems in West Michigan, but thankfully we are going to be clear of any major system here, what looks like in the long-term forecast. As we start now close to home, a few flurries south of Grand Rapids, Delton, Assyria, over to Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. Very light. A lot of that is even struggling to reach the ground. We're not going to have any measurable lake effect here today. There'll just be a few flurries here and there. As we look to Coldwater this morning, notice these roadways are wet, but dry enough that there's no mini layer of ice, but there could be on some back roads, especially up to Montcalm and Mecosta County. That's where that freezing line kind of set up, just north of I-96. So that's where a lot of that wasn't very treated, and then it refroze a lot earlier. 24 in Kentwood this morning. Teens to the north, teens on the other side of the lake. We are going to see those move in eventually, but the cloud cover's holding true here this morning, kind of aiding in some milder temperatures here. Winds right now also didn't go calm as well, so we didn't see radiative cooling. Still 8 to 13 miles per hour here with gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour. Your planner for the day, again, outside of a few flurries, mostly dry. Mostly cloudy skies, really just going to be a fairly gray day out there. Northwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour, but at least it's a good day to do some shoveling since we won't have a strong wind. As for temperatures, well, yesterday was our warmest of the month, first time breaking the freezing mark. 21.6 degrees is our average, 11.6 below average, which is pretty significant, puts us 5th coldest on record through the first 10 days of the month. We still have more cold air filtering in as we head towards the weekend. It looks like Saturday afternoon highs could be in the mid to upper teens, and wind chills will likely be in the single digits as well. We do have a system there Friday evening into Saturday morning. I would say for now most of the snow is going to be early Saturday morning. Friday might just be an afternoon lake effect before the main system sets up, and we'll walk you through that here on Future Track. Dry today, a few breaks in the clouds, not going to be anything to be concerned about today. Some lake effect will start to set up along the lakeshore tomorrow morning, and you can see that will eventually push inland. So we'll watch for a few light snow showers Friday afternoon, but it's not until the evening and overnight hours, anything after 8 p.m. Once a weak front passes through, it's going to fire off that moisture. We'll see some pretty steady lake effect into Saturday morning. By midday, we should be mostly dry once again, some lingering lake effect as a larger system just misses us to the south. But when these systems this time of year misses to the south, it means we're going to end up seeing the coldest air because we're on the cold side of those systems. So overnight lows will start to push the single digits once again. Afternoon highs will hover near 20 Saturday through the weekend. But as we look towards next week, we have our first mid-30s back in the forecast, and that one looks a little more consistent and could be a decent thaw heading into Christmas week.